What's good, my bros? Welcome back to Shop Antics. How the hell y'all doing? So, today's build. It has been sitting in the back of my mind for the longest time ever. And now I finally collected all of the parts for it and I'm super excited to get this one started. I guess you already know from the thumbnail that we are making a 20-inch disc sander. Oh, I have this beautiful motor. It is 1.5 horsepower. It does like 1450 RPM. It is 3-phase and it works from 380 volts. And I bought this motor for my Patreon money. So I want to thank all of my Patreon supporters because without you, this build wouldn't be possible. Thank you, bros. So I have commissioned a machinist to make me a flange that's gonna go on a shaft of the motor. And he's done this. Look at this absolutely gorgeous flange. It is so awesome. I actually want to kiss it. Yeah, yeah. He's made it from a solid piece of an aircraft aluminum. And check out this fit. It fits just beautifully. And to go on the top of the flange, a friend of mine who's got CNC made me this super precise piece. It is exactly 20 inches in diameter. And it has this slot in the middle for the flange to sit in. And oh boy, again, the fit is so snug, it's so awesome. I'm so excited about this, I cannot wait to start putting it together. So let's get to work, bros. So first of all, I want to attach the flange to the shaft. Beside the keyway, I also have this set screw on the side, so the connection is gonna be very nice. So I cut down the bolts with the angle grinder and filled in the holes with some body filler. And while the body filler is drying, I need to think about the post or a stand that the motor is gonna stand on. I really like it like this. I think the height of my table is exactly what I'm looking for. Okay, so now the motor has a post and a stand. However, the bottom plate, I want it to be very heavy. So I'm gonna make a little plywood box and pour a concrete in it. This way it will be nice and stable. Yeah, dude, I love me some good concrete. Okay, so it's been about 2 days now. The concrete bottom is all set. And let me tell you, this bad boy weighs about 25 kilos, so I think it's gonna be a very good bottom. I will attach it at the very end of the build. The plan for today is to make an adjustable table along with a dust collection system. let me clue you in on a progress so far. So we have the motor standing on a post. Then we have this dust collection port. The dust hose will go somewhere around here. It can be adjusted, the height of it on a post, up and down. And it is also going to be a support part for the table. This is our table. It's gonna go right here and sit like this. I want the table to be, adjustable angle, so I can fine tune it to get my perfect 90 degrees. 45. And to get that, I need to cut a piece like this. I don't know if you can see, but this is going to be a tricky one. After that, I'm going to sand it all and give it a nice coat of paint. Bro, I'm so pumped. My table actually does work. The adjustment system works fantastically. Let me show you. So to change the angle, I have to undo the two bolts on the sides. One here and one here. And then I can change the angle. I can, if it's like 45, I can bring it closer to the disc like this. And then I can put it back to the 90. Use the angle to set it. All right, so now I think I'm gonna take it all apart and give it a coat of paint. think we're looking kind of slick here. I still need to do the wiring. I'm planning on adding a little IKEA lamp like this, so I can have a little bit of light. And also I want to give it a little bit of character with some stickers. Yeah, I'm gonna do the stickers first because I just cannot wait. It looks like we are almost done here. I haven't tested it yet, so I have no clue if the motor actually works or not, which is weird. But I have a good feeling for this. I'm putting this in. I'm gonna run to the circuit breaker. It should be working. This son of a bitch works! Oh, it's so powerful as well. I'm so happy about this. Honestly, I feel like a little kid on Christmas. But let's see if it actually does the job. Let's turn it on. Ooh, okay. This is the first time I'm trying this. I can see the stick going smaller and smaller. No way, dude. See the mark? Let's kick it. You see that? The mark is gone. Oh, what a machine. This is like 2x4 or something like that. Let's see how it does. It works as well. Oh, dude, I'm so happy, dude. No way. This thing is still spinning. Takes a while for it to stop. So this is the bad boy. So we have a concrete stand. We have a nice post. We have adjustable height table. We can also adjust the angle of the table. We have the light. We also have the dust collection port. I can connect my shop vac to this port and it's gonna suck out, hopefully, most of the dust. And this is it. Again, a huge thanks to my Patreons. I have bought all of the parts for this build on my Patreon money, and I'm super glad you guys support me. If you're not in a Patreon gang, join it now, link in the description, and it's gonna help me to build some cool stuff like this. And that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you for sticking around. I'm gonna clean my shop out because it is totally destroyed.